Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So today we're actually making SUNGAPS hairstyle with wool. Some people call it African threading. So it's just one of those protective hairstyles really for especially natural hair. If you're concerned about hair breakage, you're concerned about your hair shrinking, and maybe you just losing your hair from braids and all that, and you don't want it to shrink, you can just quickly make this hairstyle just for the meantime. And the good part of it is that you can even wear your wig with this particular hairstyle, depending on how you make it, but really you can. So your hair gets to grow, and then you get to also, yeah, just flaunt your style. So today we are making the African threading, like I said, and it's just a very simple hairstyle. So just watch what I'm doing here. Section your hair and then just use your wool. You can also make this with your rubber thread, if you get what I mean, but that one might be very painful. So the wool part is just easier, a lot more easier to do, especially for those of us in Nigeria. So I'm just trying to make the hairstyle right now. Okay, so make sure that you flog your hair, if I use that word, to just get until you get to the part where you don't have your hair, your natural hair popping out. Okay, you would want to cover it. I just tried to put a small bead at the end because I wanted mine to look better, because I wanted to wear it out like that. Okay, so you see me trying to just check where my hair length stops, so I get to add a bit more wool, like an extension, so that in case I'm loosening the hair, to be easier when I'm making my hair. I also think about loosening the hair because you don't want to stress, or you don't want to cut your hair while loosening your hair basically. So that's what I was doing here. So I just checked the length and I decided to keep going until I feel like I've gone past the length of my hair, and then I can stop and then tie it up. See here, I'm actually done, and then I tie it up and then I will attach my bead. So this hair, you can also make it for kids, especially going to school. So it's not just for adults, right? So it's a very simple hairstyle. So just watch what I'm doing here, and at the end of the day I try to show the way I styled it. You guys, this content creating is not easy. Like, it is not easy at all. This is the bead I used. I have a TikTok channel as well, so everything is on the description of this video, for you can follow me across all social media platforms, my TikTok, my Instagram, and then this YouTube. Okay, so here I'm actually done. So I just basically tied. You can tie it once or twice depending on how, but like I said, you would want to think about when you're loosening the hair, and also to just avoid cutting off your natural hair. So you can see that even on the other side, I actually use this on gaps to just hold it. So even if you're making your hair and you don't want to go for this hairstyle, this some gaps is something that you can easily use to just hold your hair for the meantime. And while you're making these some gaps, you don't want to pull your hair, natural hair, too close like this. If not, it wouldn't give it the vibe. It wouldn't look nice. It will look so small, and it will even shrink your hair the more. So I don't advise you to do this. So this, at this point, I'm done. Don't mind my sectioning. I was actually done with the hair. I tried to just be fast because I had a lot to do that day. Okay, so this is me just trying to pack it very well. So this is how I eventually wore the hair. Yes, like a bun, swing bun, that kind of thing. So yeah, what do you think about this hairstyle? Is this something you can easily try? And I think I will be sticking with this particular protective hairstyle anytime I loosen my hair and I don't know what to do to it. So this is what the TikTok view looks like. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to capture it using YouTube way the portrait should be at the end of the day. But yeah, please like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.